Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and if you're looking for a wireless vacuum cleaner that's going to get you excited about cleaning, then you're going to want this one from Starument. I have mine in the color pink, and it is the prettiest pastel pink I've ever seen. I also love the design of this vacuum cleaner, how I can easily put my hand around the vacuum cleaner to help me vacuum, and it's so lightweight. I also love how it does such a great job of cleaning. You can easily remove the cap that comes to protect the vacuum cleaner. And here you have where it suctions. There's two different settings. Both settings work really well at picking up trash. I usually leave mine here in my office since I work from home. I'm always on my laptop, and sometimes crumbs can get on there, but those crumbs are so easily taken off with this vacuum cleaner. And I even like taking it inside of my car. I have a little one, so there's always a mess in there, but thankfully with this vacuum cleaner, that mess is easily taken away. And sometimes if you forget to charge your vacuum cleaner at home, you can take the USB charger that it comes with and charge it in your car, so you can always have your vacuum ready. And the battery life lasts pretty long for me. I even put this inside of my cup holder and it stands up straight. I don't have to worry about it getting damaged. You can even use this inside of your house. The vacuum cleaner comes with a different attachment that helps pick up those crumbs, and you can even lower the attachment, and this attachment really helps get into those places that are hard to reach. That's another one of my favorite features. So if you're looking for a powerful wireless vacuum cleaner that's not only good for your home but also at work or in your car, you're gonna want to try this one from Starument. That's my point of view.